Remember LimeWire and BearShare? Maybe you've used Pirate Bay to save a few bucks on a piece of software that you wanted? It can definitely be tempting to use a file sharing service or a pirate site to get software that might not be accessible to you otherwise, but sometimes that software just isn't all it's, cracked up to be. Software can be expensive, but so can the attempts to find the same software for cheap or free. One student's attempt to pirate an expensive piece of data visualization software led to a European biomolecular research institute falling victim to a Ryuk ransomware attack. As a result of this one student trying to save a few $100s, the institute had to deal with a week of downtime as servers were rebuilt from scratch and data was restored from backups. Investigation showed that the student's account was used to access the network through an RDP connection when the attack was initiated. It is suspected that the cracked software included a keylogger that stole the student's credentials in advance of the attack on the school's network. The active protection in Acronis Cyber Protect stops ransomware like Ryuk before it can spread across your network or encrypt any of your data.